Welcome to Fast and Clean. Let's look at how we can use the Oyo Life app to find rental stays, temporary accommodations for mostly working people and students. First, let's click on Find Me a Home. Once you've clicked on it, the Oyo Life app would display a set of options to choose your city and just to generally see through what's on offer and what are the amenities like Wi-Fi, TV, DTH, washing machine, refrigerator, CCTV, and all the other things. So I'm going to choose the city, and once you've chosen the city, the app displays all the properties that have been listed on their site. So you can look at all the listings and whether it's available for both male and female or any other specific criteria. Like there are even options for couples to choose a stay. So here the features and amenities for each of these apartments are listed here. So let's look at one of the settings, and before we get into that you need to choose where your office or college is. So let's click on Hebal, which is an area in Bangalore, and you can see a lot of options right here. So once you like a listing, click on any of the listing and it will display all the details about it with a picture, the name of the accommodation, the area. For example, here it's near DMart RT Nagar, and the cost of the room and the whole room, or you can even choose to share the room with someone. That's slightly at a half the price. Then you have all the things displayed about the building level, the amenities, and what's on offer in the common area. Then in the kitchen, whether you get cookware, refrigerator, RO, and all the other things. A little bit about the property here, and then you have the map in case you need to go and manually visit. You can even click on schedule free visit. So you can even give them a call to uh, check more about the property and or to schedule a visit. And if you like the property after you visited it, you can click pay to book. Here in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the search filters that are on offer. So you get to choose, you can set categories, you can choose the gender, the occupancy type, and whether it's rented, how much the range of the rent is, and the other things. So once you reach the listings page, after you've chosen where you'd like to find the property, the listings are displayed here. And from the listings that are displayed here, you can click on either rent to say if I want houses between this range or more than that, and whether you're okay with staying in a unisex place or boys only or girls only. The occupancy type gives the option of single, double, triple, or quadruple, where four people can take up the accommodation and stay there. And when you click on more, you even get the options of whether you want to move in the next 7 days or 15 days, and if there's any offer based on this thing, and the occupancy, gender, rent type, and sort by price first, lowest price first, and highest price first. Once you've chosen the required category, You can click on apply, and the list will sort and show the best options available within your the filters that you've set.